Warning, warning, warning to Hajjat Namyalo of the office of the national chairman. Whatever you're doing, whatever you're planning is extremely dangerous and bad for the NRM. Deploying young boys and girls on WhatsApp groups, on social media platforms to attack the leadership of NRM, especially the Right Honorable Richard Toodwong, on grounds that you have been sidelined from mainstream mobilization. Remember, this decision was not decided upon by Toodwong alone. It was a SEC decision guided by the party chairman. That is why, for the first time in the history of Uganda since post-colonial period, this has been the most fantastic and the most well-managed campaign ever. You don't see any drama, you don't see any controversy, with lots of turn-up. Special thanks goes to Toodwong for the coordination and for the right work done in as far as organizing the rallies are concerned. So remember, these young boys, you're trying to plan them to insult, to do all sorts of unwarranted attacks. You will put them into problems. Imagine they're uttering all sorts of sectarian, tribalistic, sarcastic attacks. That Toodwong should not cross Baganda, to the extent that you are even planning that whenever the NRM crosses to Baganda, people should echo the president, they should echo the Right Honorable Toodwong, they should echo the leadership of the NRM. You are lucky that our leadership are very calm and they don't want to be petty. But this time round, as cadres of the revolution, we are going to take this personal. We are going to fight back. You went to Luero, you did unspeakable things, talking to dead bodies, performing rituals which does not portray what the NRM stands for. But the country kept quiet because we think you should be given a second chance to change, but you're not changing. So if you dare try to disorganize the rallies in Baganda, we are going to do what is called a cholistic or a collateralization. What the Honorable Acholi did to Zake will be replicated in Baganda. Because all we want to do is to protect the gain, promote His Excellency the President, and make sure NRM gets a landslide victory. You should know very well that the work of the Office of the National Chairman, NRM, is clearly defined. I was at one point a staff of the ONC under Molika Mukama. Our work was predominantly vote protection, cadre identification, and placement. A work she did extremely well. That is why I have no doubt she will come back to Parliament. And you should also concentrate on your lane. There's a saying that you should concentrate on your lane and you will be appreciated for the good work done. You don't have to cross into other people's lane. So this is just a warning, but we are ready. If there will be any confusion in Baganda, and you young boys and girls who have been mobilized, be warned. Because we shall have bouncers, we shall pick you one by one. Democracy with a bit of dictatorship makes a perfect government. We shall deal with you fair and square. We are not going to bargain, because we cannot allow anybody to disrupt President Museveni's campaign. Thank you very much. May the good Lord bless all of you.